Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch. So as we kick off the trading week yesterday, we see that the unofficial earnings report or the unofficial earnings season has begun, and we have some big bank news coming out later today. And also we see US stocks rising for more consecutive days and hitting fresh highs, and as well as indices as well. So just want to look at a couple of pharmaceutical companies today. As you know, we have been seeing a little bit of how can we describe it? A little bit of concern in the last few trading sessions that infection rates are slightly going up, and also the efficacy of the vaccinations aren't as strong as what we thought they would be. And we've got companies coming out such as Pfizer and Moderna saying that in 6 months' time there will be a booster needed, or let's say a third vaccination needed to keep up with the different variants that are out there at the moment, because they are losing efficacy. So we have the FDA and the CDC, which is the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, and the Food, Drug and Administration in America, saying there's no need for a booster shot after 6 months. But then the pharmaceutical companies on the flip side of that coin are saying there is a need, because infection rates are getting higher, and even people that have had 2 dosages of the vaccination are still catching COVID. So it's very, very significant here. So you have to think, if there are booster shots to be made afterwards, then the stock of Pfizer and Moderna and other pharmaceutical companies will probably keep on rising and stay on track. Revenue expectations will be on track as planned. So it'd be very, very significant there. So we'll just see what's going to come out in the next few months about these stories, because it's very significant. So first of all, on Pfizer, I just want to look on a daily chart like I usually start off with, looking at the Ichimoku cloud as well. So for the daily, we have actually gone above this top border of the Ichimoku cloud here, which is quite significant. So I'm expecting another move up and hitting these previous peaks here. I don't know if we're going to get to record highs anytime soon, because the news in the pharmaceutical area is actually 1 minute is positive, next minute is negative. Like I just explained, you've got regulators in America saying, contradicting what the pharmaceutical giants are proposing. So we'll wait and see what happens with that. If we do get a bit more of momentum, we could see a strong bearish divergence bring prices lower. But if we look on the intraday chart on a 4-hour, we can see now a strong border on the top of the Ichimoku cloud that has been broken. So very choppy action in the last few trading sessions, and like I said, just waiting to see if we're going to start hitting these recent peaks, and this would give us more impetus to the upside. As I said, nothing too tasty, let's say, in the divergence story. They are going as planned for the RSI, but if we do get an uptick on stock price in the next few trading sessions, then we could see a strong bearish divergence bringing prices lower, but we'll see how that plays out shortly. Moderna, very, very buoyant and bullish in the last few trading sessions, looking to progress higher now. We're just waiting to see if there's going to be any negative news in the next few trading sessions as we go into, let's say, we're in July now, middle of July. The boosters apparently are supposed to be for the autumn season as we go into winter. So we could see stocks pushing higher if more and more infection rates are going up, because we need the boosters to stop that. Also, Moderna have actually just announced that they're going to provide Argentina with 20 million more dosages as well. So that's quite significant for the stock. We saw a little bit of a jump in price in previous sessions as well because of that news. So looking on the RSI, there is a slight bearish divergence there to bring prices lower. So we'll see if that comes into fruition in the next few trading sessions. And on the intraday, again, we're just waiting to see what the possibilities are. Trading very far away from the Ichimoku cloud at the moment, which is quite significant as well. So we'll just wait and see what the opportunities are. So keep an eye on the pharmaceutical stocks. They're never having a day off. Always something in the headlines, in the news, to kind of shake up the markets. And this isn't just Pfizer and Moderna. You have Johnson & Johnson as well, and the other pharmaceutical companies that are trying to get in on the game of the COVID-19 vaccinations. So just something to keep an eye out for every day, basically. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. As usual, any comments or queries, please add them to the post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.